Hi, here's a tutorial for these two videos. First, you need to make sure that you're doing this in slow motion. Then you need to turn the camera around so that the lens is closest to the floor. Then you can go in and edit it. I usually turn the brightness up and make it more vibrant and stuff, but you also need to turn it around so that it's the right way up. This is the finished video that I took today. It's not like you've already seen it loads of times because I just keep on filming these. The water looks a bit dirty because there's loads of seaweed everywhere, and there wasn't the last time I filmed those videos. So that's why it's not as good as the other ones. I also didn't go in and edit these properly. If anyone's wondering, I used the bling filter on prequel for the tweet video. That's the tutorial.